Indian and Chinese troops, along with contingents from other countries, participated in the Victory Day military parade in the Russian capital of Moscow on Wednesday. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh attended the event along with his Chinese counterpart, but both leaders are not expected to hold discussions on the Galwan Valley clashes last week. Russia also ruled out mediating between the two countries, saying India and China did not need any kind of assistance to resolve their disputes. The Delhi government today registered its protest against the centre's new order asking all coronavirus patients in Delhi to visit a quarantine centre for evaluation. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said he has written a letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah asking him to intervene and roll back the latest guidelines that will put a burden on already strained health infrastructure. Meanwhile, it was reported before that every house in Delhi will be screened by July 6th as a part of a new plan to check the spread of the coronavirus. A day after the Jagannath Rath Yatra started, Odisha police has appealed to people not to visit Puri as darshan of the deities is not allowed. In order to avoid any congregation, restrictions have been imposed in some parts of the town. Maharashtra government told the Bombay High Court that it cannot permit holding the pending Class 10th and Class 12th ICSE exams from July 2nd amid the pandemic. The decision was taken in a State Disaster Management Committee meeting held on June 22nd through video conference. A similar decision was taken for not conducting the university exams. Rumours that some supporters of BJP leader Kapil Mishra had set fire to a podium of an anti-CAA protest could have sparked large-scale violence in Delhi in February, Delhi police sources have said. The clashes were linked to the Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA that fast-tracks citizenship to non-Muslim minorities from neighbouring nations and is seen by many as discriminatory. Diesel price for the first time crossed the rate of petrol in the national capital on Wednesday when prices were raised for a record 18th day in a row. According to a price notification of state oil marketing companies, petrol price was unchanged after 17 consecutive increases, while diesel rates were increased by 48 paise per litre across the country. An IAS officer whom the CBI wanted to prosecute in the Rs 4,000 crore IMA Ponzi scam was found dead at his residence on Tuesday night, a senior police officer said. According to police, the former Deputy Commissioner of Bengaluru Urban District, BM Vijay Shankar, was found dead at his residence at Jayanagar in Bengaluru.